What's up, fellas? Today we're at one of my favorite little creeks that flows into the Connecticut River here. We're gonna be going for whatever bites today. So right here, got a little worm hooked up to a little sinker. I actually got to redo that because that actually goes through the eye of the hook and the weight goes down, so you can lose it easily. And then I got a little swim bait here. We're gonna try this puppy out. It's a little Kitech. I think it's a 3.5 inch. We're gonna see what works today. Let's get at it. There we go. That's something. What is this, a little smallie? A little largemouth. Look at that. Wow. I have actually never caught a largemouth out of this little stretch here. Now, they are in the Connecticut, but they are a little more rare than the smallmouth. That's awesome. Hard fighter for a little guy like that. Thanks, buddy. I'm gonna actually have to go get another swim bait, I think, because he spit mine out and wrecked this thing to shreds. Look at that. Tore the top right off of it. Or I could just cut that off and try half a swim bait. We'll see. There we go. That should be good. Oh, we just had another one already. Another fish already from that same bank there. They must be stacked up there or something. That was a little bit better of a hit. Yeah, he freaking pulled my swim bait off a little bit. That was definitely a bite there. Damn. Second cast right over there. I already had 2 fish. Cast it again. I'm gonna reel a little bit faster coming out. See if I can. There we go. Oh, I had him again. What the hell? I don't know if that was that same fish again, or I'm just on a snag, but that definitely felt like a fish. That's funny, man. Must be just grabbing the tail of it. Might be getting hit here. Unless that's just the wind. No, I think I'm getting bit. Oh yeah. Oh, it's something. Is it a bluegill? Ah, I see. The old pumpkin seed. And he swallowed my hook. That ain't good. Well, I was actually planning on keeping this guy anyway for catfish bait. I'll probably throw out a catfish rod instead of this now. And yeah, that actually works out pretty good. Sorry you got gut hooked, little guy. Probably my favorite panfish to catch so far. Just look at the colors on that guy. He's got the little red behind the spot there. He's got the little cyan blue. Beautiful little fish there. So we are heading out for the day. I mean, it was good to get out. I had about an hour to spare today, and we ended up catching some fish at a spot that is usually, hit or miss. So I'd say that's a good day overall. Never caught a largemouth out of there. That's one thing that we did today, which is pretty good. I know they're in there, but usually catch smallmouth out of there, so that's pretty good. Anyway, gonna head out for the day. It's getting dark. There's Triple E and all these other freaking mosquito diseases all around my state, so I'm just gonna be careful with that. Gonna head out. So anyway, hope y'all enjoyed. Like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.